Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm taking a painting that I did in 2021 and I'm revamping it after I was inspired by seeing something from LouiseArt. I'll link my old video and her video above and below. Okay, so here we are down. I'm going to take you down here. And I had an idea the other day while I was watching Marie Louise, and her painting was just stunning. Okay, so I'm starting out and I'm using this chrome marker. And I'm not sure if this is going to do what I'm looking for. I thought we could take a moment and talk about repurposing an old piece of art and how rewarding the process is. It's a way to honor the past while breathing some fresh energy and a perspective into it. With this painting, I didn't just add new materials. I allowed the original painting to evolve, much like nature's cycle of growth and transformation. Repurposing our art connects with the sustainability, creativity, and the idea that art, like nature, is always changing. This process is a reminder that even in art, we can find renewal and transformation. In this silhouette, the golden roots represent Mother Earth herself, and her profile emerges gracefully from the swirling autumn colors, as if she were one with the elements around her. I added the golden roots, symbolizing wisdom and a deep connection to the earth. These roots remind us that Mother Earth's strength comes from her foundation, her grounding to the natural world. She is timeless, embodying the wisdom and resilience of nature. Very cool. Look how beautiful she is looking. Let's see where we could go from here. Against that black background. I have some Lex resin. Beautiful. And this is red. Now, I don't think this is going to be as red as it is in here. I'm going to pour some in here. Yeah, this is transparent red, and I'm going to make this a little darker. And I think I'm going to use some of my This Little Piggy in maraschino. When I look at this painting, I see the essence of autumn with all these beautiful colors, the season of maturity, warmth, and the beauty of change. I use these rich colors like gold, copper, red, and graphite black, all in the UV resin, to capture this idea. Autumn represents a time when nature reaches its peak before letting go. Much like the trees shedding their leaves, These colors evoke a sense of abundance and richness. They're fiery and warm, full of life, even as the world prepares for winter. Let's use some of this copper. Start it on this end. Graphite black. Sorry about that. I lost some of this footage putting this down. And to add a little more texture and depth, I incorporated the real leaves in vibrant autumn colors. These leaves represent the earth's grounding energy, bringing a sense of authenticity and connection to nature. The leaves remind us of the natural cycles that we're all a part of, the way life flows and changes. They're a small but powerful way of honoring Mother Earth, showing that she's both grounded and in constant motion. The inclusion of the cut glass adds a touch of magic. I use this cut glass to create some glimmer throughout this painting. These bits of glass catch the light, adding a sparkle that feels like dewdrops or a shimmer of frost on an autumn morning. The glimmer adds an ethereal quality, showing that nature's beauty is both in bold colors and delicate details. The sparkle draws us in, inviting us to appreciate the intricacies and small wonders in nature. I hope you appreciate the light within.
So I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too.
And yes, the butterflies scattered across Mother Earth, symbolizing the transformation, rebirth, and delicate beauty of life. I placed them over her mouth to convey a few things, representing a powerful change, like a quiet transformation that happens in nature, suggesting that Earth has a voice that speaks through actions rather than words, a voice of quiet wisdom. They also invite us to listen rather than speak, to observe and appreciate the beauty of natural cycles. Okay, so at this point, I think I'm done. But there was something nagging at me. Okay, I'm sorry to say I was not happy, and I decided I was going to resin this, and I mixed up, 4 ounces of resin, I think, and here I am. And I'm going to fast forward this for you and give you the end result. I did pull out my heat gun. I put this on my heating mat, so I took it over to my heating mat and I pulled out the heat gun also. Wow, I must say, when I lifted the cover from the heating mat, I was so happy that I added the resin to this. That black popped, the colors just popped out beautifully. Oh yes. The resin came perfect. Can you see that depth? Oh my. Please let me know in the comments below. What do you think? I am so grateful for the super thanks last week, Lena Park Art and Linda. What amazing supporters. So if you haven't had a chance to meet your neighbor yet and you're in the live chat, please take a moment and say hi. It's so nice to make a friend a day. Make today that day. Thank you so much for joining me today as we explored the Mother Earth Autumn piece, and thank you LouiseArt for inspiring it. Creating this artwork was a meaningful journey this week, from repurposing an old painting into layering the new materials that symbolize the beauty of transformation and the cycles of nature. I hope this piece resonates with you and brings you a sense of connection to the earth, to the changing seasons, and the quiet beauty that surrounds us. Don't forget to leave a comment, sharing your thoughts, and if you enjoyed this, please subscribe for more creative explorations. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. I Shoot Crafty Kids Club is next. If you're in live chat, you will be redirected. Until next time, bye-bye now. One more thing before you go, if you get a chance, check out that video 194 of me making the original painting. I'm going to link it here for you. Bye-bye now.